The Google Pixel Watch has a beautiful circular, dome design and new experience with Wear OS by Google, so it's easy to get help at a glance. Made with scratch-resistant Corning Gorilla Glass, the fitness watch can withstand up to 5 atm 50 meters water resistance. With Emergency Sos, your watch can alert trusted contacts or 911 when you are feeling unsafe. Beautiful inside and out. A bold circular, demaid design. 3 stainless steel finishes. Accessory bands for every style. Fitness and health powered by Fitbit. Track active zone minutes, steps and calories. Track your sleep and heart rate, and assess your heart rhythm for a fib with ECG. Feel protected with Emergency Sos. Your favorite Google apps at a glance. Help on the go from Google Assistant. Quick, contactless payments with Google Wallet. Turn-by-turn directions from Google Maps. Get stuff done with Gmail and Google Calendar. Enjoy 6 months of Fitbit Premium included. Get deeper insights, exclusive workouts, mindfulness sessions, and more. Get it done on the run. Answer calls, get texts, respond to email, listen to music. Thank you for watching the video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. And comment below. Check out the description to find the product link.